what it's like after you get done fishing tournament. You're just driving on the road, trying to stay awake. So I'm a little sleepy. Picked up a monster. We'll see how this goes. No real high expectations. Kind of mellow. 30 seconds later. Alrighty, y'all, we done got here to the Henry County Fairgrounds, and I done had me one of these here monsters, and woo! It's gonna go down. We're gonna go in there and check in, and then I'm gonna load up all my stuff, and we're gonna get on the road, and probably be back in Maryland before 12 o'clock tonight. Woo! Alright, guys, last day of the 2017 kayak. You got a little nose ball. Anyway, last day of the 2017 Kayak Bass Fishing National Championship. Big thanks to all the sponsors out there, anybody across the world who sponsors kayak stuff and kayak tournaments. Thank you so much to the specific ones that are here at the event this week. Thank you, Torquedo, for doing what you do, supporting what you do, helping us put vets in boats with motors. You know, my fellow vets, it means a lot to us. It means a lot to anybody who served to be able to get out here, enjoy the water, enjoy fishing, and not worry about impairments or anything like that that may have happened during the service to their country, to my country, to your country. So thank you to them from the bottom of my heart, really. Thank you to them, to Torquedo, for making this possible, for making it possible for people like me who just love to get out and kayak fish and do tournaments to come to a national championship and have a shot at $35,000 for fishing in a kayak, for just having fun, for doing what you would do on a weekend normally wherever you go. So thank you to them. Wilderness Systems, Yeti Cooler, my sponsors, Delaware Paddle Sports. Wouldn't be here without them today, that's for sure. Who else was there? NRS, thank you. Got my NRS vest on, I'm rock and rolling. So, you know, thank you to all the sponsors that are out there. Doomsday Tackle for being a good sponsor of the KBF. Also All Pro Rods. I'm trying to think of all of them. Rod socks, there's a ton, guys. Yak Attack, thank you guys so much for doing what you do and being a part of this and supporting us, and you know, let's get to it. This is the last day. Gonna throw some stuff at some banks and get on it. I'm currently, I don't even know what place I'm sitting in. I got 75 inches and that's a good ways from the top, but hey, I'm having fun. You know, hopefully we can land some big ones. Lost a big one yesterday. That would have helped me out a lot. Would have got me up in the 80-inch mark, but got behind the boat, actually kicked it into reverse and didn't get the full pull on that. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let's get to it. Final day of fishing, 2017 KBF National Championship. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, monster. Oh, monster. Oh, monster. Come on. Oh, if she jumps again, I gotta get the net. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, come on. No. Don't shake it. Don't shake it. Come on. Oh, no, no. No! Oh, God. Come on. Come here. Come to the net. No, no. Come to the net. Yes! Oh! 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 That's the way to start the day after missing 7 fish. Oh! Oh! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh, I thought I lost her there for a second. It went nice and slack, and my goodness. I thought I lost her. Oh. Oh, jeez. I'm shaking like a leaf, guys. I'm shaking like a leaf. Oh, look at this donkey. Oh, I'm gonna get a weight on this one too. Oh, sheesh. I gotta fix my net. I could barely reach her with my net. Oh. It's 2. 6 pounds, 4 ounces. Woo! My hands are shaking and I'm trying to take a picture and it's cold out here. This poor fish, I've had to, at least I've been able to keep it on this, the leash here, and she's feisty, she's swimming around, so that's good. I checked my photos, I probably took 9 photos of this fish. Whew. 6 pounds, 4 ounces, beautiful. I gotta let her go because she deserves to get back in the water there. There she goes, she swam off fine. That's why you gotta definitely get your grippers, put them on some rope, you know, and I've got this tied to a real quick other grip here. Right there, a quick grip by Irwin. And you know, that just attaches. It's good for making a little shallow anchor or something like that, clipping onto multiple things. Man, it took forever to get that picture. It's freaking cold out here, man. That was 21 3/4. Good fish to start the day with. Got her pegged right in the side of the mouth too. Thank goodness. Man, I gotta retie after that too. Whew, first fish on the board, guys. That's what we need, just like that. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Or not. Guy, he hit like a monster. Shit, he hit like a monster. He gave a little tunk on it. I mean, had a nice little hefty weight to him. Official baits. This is what I just caught that 6-pounder on. Bluegill. Same thing I was using down in Texas. Again, same thing I'm using up here in Kentucky Lake. Mustad triple grip hooks. This pattern does work, guys. It is a beautiful pattern, beautifully painted. Second one of the day, still inching closer, closer and closer. Come here, quick, quick. Need points right now. Need to get on the board with 5 fish, you see? Although you tiny, I'll take you. Because I need 5. Ow, sucker. That's not good. Wow. Just when I was getting excited about live line him in. Live line him in. You know, I honestly wouldn't doubt that this reel broke simply because of how I've been transporting it and riding in the back. I bet it's been just hammering on the handle. I mean, my other one's been good for years. I bet that's the sole reason this just broke. It was pretty cool how I caught one. Again, I came back through with finesse, shaky head and all that. Right after that boat, 2 people came through. They didn't catch anything. Of course, it was a dink. Oh yeah, right where you're supposed to be. Don't be a white bass. Oh no. Nope, I need you. Come here. Yeah. I was working this specific point based on my Navionics chip. I ate a sandwich between the cove and to this point, and then I got to this point and I started fishing. Worth it. That's number 5 too. Alright y'all, well that is it for the 2017 KBF National Championship. I did get 5, however, I didn't get all the 5 that I would like. Missed a lot this morning. I had a lot of swipes at it. Missed probably 7 fish in a row. They were all tiny. I don't think they were big at all, which, you know, when I landed my 6-pound 4-ounce, right after that, it was like, whoa, this could be on. You know, I finally got to my spot. It was kind of a deep ledge on a secondary point, couple secondary points. There was a wall between couple secondary points. Pulled a 5-pounder out of that same spot yesterday, 5 or 6, I don't know. But all in all, it was, you know, good in the sense that I was able to pick things out on Navionics, go there, find fish, find good fish. You know, didn't quite find or get into quantities at all this week. And only during the tournament days did I finally make it to where I got size of any kind. You know, it was really one side of the spectrum or not. But hope you enjoyed this series. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Woo! Either that monster is getting to me, or I just saw a woman mowing her yard topless. I think it could be the monster. I don't know. I have to turn around because I turned down the wrong road anyway. So we're gonna pass right back by her and you're gonna see. Either that or that's a man wearing pantyhose and oh. Okay. That's what happens when you turn down the wrong road in Tennessee. I'm just saying.